Hi Primary 3, this week we are introducing something new to present your learning in a more fun way. We hope you like it, and please have a look at the following video to understand how to find your way around and through your sway for this week's learning. This week, when you open your other learning assignment, you will be taken to the page as normal. At the top, we have given a very brief instruction which says to click on this link here to go to your sway slides, which is where all the information is for this week's topic. If this does not work, please click down here where it says Sway Through Scotland Slides. There is also a number of resources attached below. These are linked to tasks that are within the slides that you might need throughout the week. Once you click on the link, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. At the bottom right hand corner, you can see two arrows which will bring you to the next slide. You can also use your finger to slide across the sway. This button down here at the bottom will also show all of the slides together, so you can skip to one particular slide if you want to later. This is what it looks like when you click that button, and you can scroll through to see all of the slides included in the presentation. Later you may want to go to a particular slide once you have chosen your preferred topic. However, we would like everybody to begin at the welcome page so that you can work your way through the slides. This is the welcome page. If you come across a little bar like this one here, it means that you need to press this button and there will be a voice note for you to listen to. Throughout the PowerPoint, you may come across different versions of this. It just means that you are able to click on it and it will bring you to something that you need to play. It might be a video or it might be a voice note. You may also come across a task that requires you to click on something that is underlined. This means it is a hyperlink. If you click on it, it will bring you to an outside website with more information. Here is another one. So anywhere where you see the line is underneath the word, it means it is a hyperlink and that there's more information to be found. The next thing you might come across is this, which looks like a pile of photographs stacked on top of each other. If you see this, you need to tap on the image and it will show you the one underneath. At the left-hand corner, there's also a little box. This is the caption box. If you click on this, it will tell you what it is, and there might be more information also. We hope you enjoy using Sway this week for your learning, Primary 3. We look forward to hearing your feedback on how you found it.